In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view your Brevo API key. Whether you're a developer looking to integrate Brevo's functionalities into your application or simply want to review your API settings, knowing how to access your API key is essential. This step-by-step guide will walk you through the process in just a few minutes. To get started, you'll need to open your web browser and head over to Brevo's official website. Once you're on the site, the next step is to log in. Make sure you have your login credentials handy. If you've saved them in your browser or password manager, this step will be a breeze. After successfully logging in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard, which is the hub of all your Brevo activities. Now, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page. You'll see your account name displayed there. This area acts as a gateway to your account settings and various other options. Click on your account name, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, you'll want to select SMTP and API. This section is specifically dedicated to settings related to your server and API access, an essential component for any integrations or automation you might be working on. Upon selecting SMTP and API, you'll be directed to a new page. Here, look for the API Keys tab. It's typically accompanied by other options such as SMTP settings, but you want to focus on API Keys for this tutorial. Click on the tab to enter the API management area. Once you're on the API Keys tab, any previously generated keys will be listed for you. This is your central hub for managing API access. It's where you can see all the keys you, or someone else on your team, may have created. If you already have an API key and just need to view or copy it for use in an application, you can do so from this list. Each key will have a copy button next to it, making it easy to get it into your clipboard for use wherever you need it. If you realize you don't have an API key yet, or perhaps you need a new one for a separate project, most platforms, including Brevo, offer a straightforward way to generate new keys. Look for any Add or Generate New Key button, and follow the prompts to create a new key securely. And that's it. Viewing your API key on Brevo is a quick and simple process, but it's also a powerful one. With these keys at your fingertips, you're well equipped to harness the full potential of Brevo's API capabilities, whether integrating with third-party applications or creating bespoke solutions tailored to your specific needs. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out more tutorials on maximizing the use of your online tools.